Hey guys, welcome to the King Tony Workshop. I'm Kel, and today I've got the perfect carrying case for the guy on the go. So let's check out exactly how much this carrying case can actually hold. So here you have it. All of this in a lightweight, easy to carry tool bag. You can take it with you anywhere you're on the go. So let's check out some of the other key features. On the bottom, you have a heavy-duty rugged rubber bottom. And on the outside, you have 8 oversized pockets, allowing you to put your tools in the front or even on the sides for quick and easy access. Now, inside the tool bag, you're also going to have 8 individual pockets as well. This is going to keep any of your smaller tools organized and easy to find anytime you need them. In the middle here, you have an oversized space, which is going to be great for your larger tools or anything bulky that you need to carry to or from the work site.
Eventually.
Whoa, what's that? Jeez, no!
Incoming!
And did I mention the best feature? It's waterproof.